So I've been working on this truck for the last week or so, and I got quite a bit done. We changed the carburetor, doing the wiring, got the parking brake assembly here with a new cable. We get that installed. Got the new dash in, wiring mostly done. But today I'm taking a break from the truck. I'm going to work on my bike. The wife and I were out riding a couple of times, and every time I would turn to the right, the bike would stall. And so on this bike I've installed a stereo system, LED lights, heated grips, air ride. As far as electronics, that's it. But I think I found the problem. See, what happens is every time this little harness right here, you can see where it's wrapped right there. I just touch this. See the lights come on? Every time I move that harness, so every time I would turn to the right, the bike would stall, it would die. So, and then for a while there I was having a hard time starting, and I thought it was just the key fob. But we changed the batteries in both key fobs, and that didn't seem to fix it. So I'm going to untie this here, and I'm thinking there's a pinched wire right in there where that zip tie is holding it together. Kind of makes sense to me. So here's what I found. The harness here was fine. It was just 3 big power wires. There's no problem there. But this connector here that connects to the ignition switch, one of the pins you can see was out part way, and it's in there, and there's a little bit of green stuff on it, but probably because of the bad connection. So I'm just going to pull this back, cut this back here a little bit, get that pin back in there, and that should fix the problem. That's weird how that would pull out like that. We'll get her fixed. It's all good now. Turn the key on, and I can turn the wheel or the bars, and nothing shuts off. Wiggle the harness here. Everything's secured. Nothing is doing anything weird. And then I zip tied it on here, and this connector is attached to that, so it's not going to pull out. So it should be good. Got her all fixed up. Turn the key on, everything works. Starts right away. So that pin and that harness, I don't see any way on how that would have came out. That was not put in from factory, and it just slowly worked its way out. That's what I'm thinking. But I put it back in, and it's all fixed up and running good, and we should be good to go.